We've continued improving the assembly mirror workflow to give designers more flexibility and control. In this release, we're giving you more ways to create mirrored components based on your design intent. Now, when you mirror components in an assembly, you can choose how that mirror behaves. You can keep the mirrored component associative with the original, create a mirrored copy with the link broken, generate a new file using Save Copy As, or mirror the feature tree of the component itself. You can also exclude specific components from the mirror operation when needed. And with the new associative placement option, you can even reposition mirrored components while maintaining their relationships to the original design, giving you more flexibility when real-world assembly conditions require adjustments. Together, these improvements make the mirror workflow far more adaptable, helping you to create mirrored assemblies faster and with greater control.